Today we will learn how a Mercedes S-Class car is made in Germany. Today in Germany, we explore how luxury has evolved through generations. This factory has shaped luxury cars for decades and still leads today.
German engineering is not about speed, it is about perfection.
Precision here is measured in millimeters and in generations. Every generation improves without forgetting what came before. Luxury is built by hands before technology finishes it.
Technology evolves, but comfort remains the priority.
Silence is the true sign of advanced engineering. Nothing leaves this factory without absolute approval. This is the moment when engineering becomes a car. The past guides every decision made today. Luxury does not shout, it arrives quietly. Some cars are built to move history forward. Don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic stories about legendary cars.